Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Nur Shafika, and in this video, I will be sharing with you two recitations that are being practiced every month in Ramadan. Firstly, the niyyah or intention of fasting on the night of Ramadan. It goes like this: Nawaitu sawma ghadin an adai fardi shahri Ramadana hadhihi sanati lillahi ta'ala. You may also make your intention during your sahur, which means before the azan fajr. The second recitation that I would like to share with all of you is the dua before iftar or breaking your fast. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa ala rizqika aftartu. Let us strive to make this Ramadan better than our previous Ramadan, and may Allah accept all our deeds in this beautiful month, inshallah. Wishing all of you Ramadan Mubarak.